Trade recap today 485%, Dimitra 1200%, Findora 115%, Carecoin 252%, Cambria 338%, Hard 342%, Soro we just made 25%. That's not nice, that's not bad, guys. Trade recap today 485%. I just made $48,000, plain and simple. Let's talk about Bitcoin. Our last call in Bitcoin when I sent to the private list to buy Bitcoin right here around 16.5. We put a sell order right here on this line. This line is called 200 exponential moving average. Okay, so the last time, like I mentioned before, when the Bitcoin hit this line right here, the price crashed down. Guys, we are on the weekly chart, okay, on the weekly chart, so we still have this resistance to go. There's nothing to celebrate. Okay, like I mentioned before, we just made 485% profit on trade cryptos, guys. First trade recap, gift to I made $30,000 in this trade, guys. Before the pump, that is the pre-pump. The pre-pump happened right here on Monday 30 January, and I shared this trade in the private list right here February 2nd. We bought this coin for 0.03537 and put a sell order right here, daily resistance, guys, at 15 cents. I made $30,000. Trade crypto members made 300% profit. Next trade recap, Soterusus. Okay, shared this trade in the private list right here 0.0005 and you sold for 0.0009. Guys, I made $6,000. You can make the same profits I do. You just need to follow my trades, guys. I share all my trades in the private list. Like I mentioned, if you want to get those trades in real time, feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Also, we can trade for you, and also I will alert you when you should buy and sell Bitcoin and the main cryptos. Okay, that's all I got to say. Subscribe, let's share this video, let's trade together, because together we are strong, guys. Follow my Twitter. I put updates about Bitcoin charts right here. It's free, I don't charge anything for that. Okay, it's all I got to say. We got a beautiful weekend here in Miami, and that's all I got to say. Thanks for your time, have a blessed day, guys. And email me and ask for the free platform to trade, guys. I'm gonna provide you a free platform to trade. You don't have to spend $600 with trading view a year. So this platform is free. I'm gonna share for you. This is gonna favor. Trade with me because you're gonna be successful. Thanks for your time, have a blessed day. Daniel.